High-speed imaging is supporting critical scientific advances at MIT's Egerton Center. One team used the phantom camera to explore the fracking process. They found that the shape of the opening plays a big role in the amount of pressure it takes to break different types of rock. These results inform how fracking equipment is designed and implemented in the oil and gas industry. A second MIT group found that nanoporous stamps overcome the challenges of traditional flexographic printing, a game changer for industrial-scale electronics printing. The team used a phantom camera to observe the ink transfer dynamics between the stamp and the transparent spherical lens. Their footage shows how the nanoporous stamps improved upon polymer stamps, enabling precise ultra-thin film printing. A third group successfully tested a predictive model that explains how dry spaghetti can be made to break into 2 pieces versus multiple pieces. Using a custom spaghetti snapping rig, they found that twisting spaghetti 360 degrees and then slowly bringing the ends together causes the stick to break into 2 pieces. Because the fragmentation process happens on very fast time scales, the team recorded all the trials using a phantom high-speed camera. To learn more about vision research at MIT, download our ebook.